Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again for this Saturday the 14th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And here we go, another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And of course, the link is going to be down below for purchase. Check them out when you have some free time. And we'll see what they sent. Oh, I didn't even see who this is from. Oh shoot, I cut it. Oh no. Oh, Sendow Tech also. Alright. Got another one. Oh sweet, this is a 180-degree rotating fan. 180 degrees. Cooling. The handheld mobile. Boom. Boom. See it down here. And here we go. 13 hours. Nice. Nice. Let's take a look. Oh, they got other choices of color. Black, white, pink, blue. Here we go. Alright, let's take a look. Let's see what she looks like. Come on out. It's coming. Oh yeah, bungee. You could probably take it to like a baseball game. And football coming up for the LA areas, the warmer weather stadiums. This would come in handy. Oh, there she goes. Well, you got the little hole in there. Oh boy. And we got the fan right here. Oh. Whoa. I feel the breeze. There we go. 1, 2, 4. Heck yeah, you guys can hear it. And you pop it in here. Oh. See the bottom? Got that, and then in the connector right there. That's nice. It's a nice, like I said, it comes with this little bungee cord. So in case you're riding your bike, beach day, or outside in the patio, get your sun baking. USB. Put up one of those portable battery chargers. See on the side right there, you can charge it up. And see the oh, look at that. Reverse. It does cool pretty fast though. So YouTubers, when you guys got some free time, check them out. Sendow. Link down below. Cool you off this summer. It's spinning. Don't stick your fingers in there. I'm not sure this is that's probably plastic. But pretty cool. Like it. Tiny little dude. And boom. Right there. Like I said, plug it in. There, and then a little bungee. Alright YouTubers, I got one more video coming up. Be safe and see ya.